LG is pledged this summer to make sure they increase the viewership for women's football and women's sport. How important is that to you right now?
Massive, and I'm so happy that finally a brand has stepped out of the comfort zone and the little bubble that everyone sits in, and you know, they're not afraid to be different and say, actually, hold on a sec, this needs to be better, and really taking it seriously. And as a female player, that's all we've wanted, that's all we've ever been asking for, and you know, really happy to be working alongside them and seeing the differences that this is going to make, because that's where it starts, with visibility before investments and everyone starts talking about all that sort of stuff. It's about being visible, showcasing, you know, the brilliance in the game, and you know, that female players we're pretty good, to be fair. Like, the games are pretty decent, and you'll actually be entertained if you just stop comparing it to the men's, and kind of, you know, if we kind of drop that male ego a little bit and just appreciate the women's game. It's, you know, we sell out at Wembley, we sell out in the FA Cup finals, we lift a lot of trophies, like we have really good quality players, like we have players from all over the world coming to play in the WSL, which I think speaks for itself. And it's really entertaining. There's sometimes a little bit of drama, people getting each other's faces, some spicy tackles. So I think it's, you know, making it visible is the starting point of any change, and I'm really excited to see where we can get to. And you know, I think now I see it as them challenging other brands to step up as well and to be better and to really showcase the women's game and women in sport. And I think, again, that's something that I'm proud of, is that we champion one another, no matter what sport you play in. As a woman, like, we champion each other to be successful and congratulate each other, and just been powerful athletes, and yeah, just showing who we are and that we deserve to be on that platform and to be visible all over the world.
And that's the thing, with that increased viewership, it will only send a message to fans as well. How important is it that they get that message?
Yeah, it's massive, and I'm going to be front of it, making sure that they definitely get that message. But LG have been, you know, amazing in that, and you know, the pledge is now live and active, so you know, want everyone to head over and take a look into that and really get on board, because this is about people that are genuinely caring for the women's game and women in sport, and really want to make a difference. You know, you've got fathers with daughters that kind of see the struggles and see the barriers and are really trying to make a difference. So something that I'm really proud of and really grateful and thankful that they're, you know, willing to do this. But it's going to be a game changer for sure.
You're going to be watching this summer. The nation will be watching. The world will be watching, because it's only going one way. Watching changes everything. I love that. That's brilliant.
It does, and I can't wait. I'll be there rooting. I'm definitely going to be watching, so make sure everyone else does as well.